Ooh, it's like a taco. Or even a burrito. Seriously, it's so flexible, it blows my mind. And the weight, 3.3 ounces. I don't think you're gonna find anything lighter than this. Okay, beauties, today I want to talk to you about another amazing LED light mask that I've been testing out, okay? You know that I love testing out beauty devices. So I already know that there are a lot of my beautiful friends out there who actually do already own and use light therapy. If you are one of those friends, can you please let me know in the comments what mask it is that you use? Do you love your mask? What are the benefits that you're seeing from the mask? Let's let other individuals know just how great LED light therapy is for the skin, okay? If you're someone who has absolutely no idea about light therapy, LED lights can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. They can help tighten and lift sagging skin. They can help with acne-prone skin, fade acne scars, help with dark spots, even out skin texture. They can also help with inflammation and redness of the skin. They can help brighten the skin. There are so many wonderful benefits to using LED light therapy. So in this video right here, I am going to be talking about a brand new LED light therapy mask that I've been testing out. And it is actually very different from all my other masks. The design, the weight, the airflow, I am truly impressed with this mask. When I first saw it, not gonna lie, I was like, I don't really know about that. I thought maybe because it was cheaper, maybe it wouldn't really hold up to the test. But as I've used it and I've tested it out, I can honestly say that I do love the mask. I would recommend the mask, especially for any first-time LED light mask users out there. It's one of the cheaper masks. I also have a discount code for you that'll make it even cheaper. And yeah, if you're interested in learning more about this mask, please just stick around and watch the video. So one more thing, I am Nisa. I always forget to say that. And this is my YouTube channel. If you're someone like me, just me really, mother, grandmother, almost 50, and you're looking for great skincare products to help with aging, to help with acne, to help with scarring, to help lighten, brighten, lift. If you like stuff like this, I would love for you to subscribe. Make sure you click on the bell. Therefore, you will be notified anytime I put a brand new video out. So yeah, if you like this content, please subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. So this right here is the FaradBeauty Luxe Halo Mask. Kind of gives off the Friday the 13th vibes, if you ask me. Ching, ching, ching. But on the real, this mask is pretty amazing. This is the first FeatherLight LED mask that's been created. This mask right here only weighs 93 grams. 93 grams is equal to 3.3 ounces. Friends, and that is very light for a mask. You can see that it's very, very flexible. With its bird nest hollow structure, it's very, very breathable. Now, I love, love, love my Jove's LED laser light mask. But for some of you, I know that having a mask like that and having your face enclosed could either one, be claustrophobic. It can be very hot and stuffy, especially if you suffer from eczema or psoriasis or any other skin disorder like that. This mask is completely different. This is a no contact mask. It doesn't touch your skin. It allows proper airflow when you're doing your red lights. If you look right here, you can see that this mask also offers the built-in eye protection, okay? This protection completely blocks out all light to your eyes. The mask comes with a very soft strap. The strap is easily adjustable for your head size. This is the little handheld control that goes with the mask. It is chargeable, therefore you don't have to be plugged into any outlet when you're wearing your mask. Ta-da! It has the little cord right here. definitely user friendly. It's not hard to use at all. So this mask does offer 4 different therapeutic light waves. Ta-da! Look at how nice this is. Very open, very breathable, very lightweight, doesn't cause my face any sort of distress or irritation or anything of that nature. This is the power button. You see right here, it offers the infrared and red light therapy. 2 different lights, but in one treatment. The red light is going to be very beneficial for anti-aging skincare. If you're concerned about fine lines and wrinkles, sagging skin, you're wanting to boost that collagen, the infrared and red light is a great option. Not only does it offer the light, it also offers 3 different strengths. You have the light, the medium, and the high, depending on your own skincare needs. So we have the red, like I said, this is really great for anti-aging. We have the blue light. Blue light is great for acne-prone skin. The blue light can help get rid of bacteria on the skin. It can help soothe the blemishes. It can also help fade acne scars. And then we have the yellow light. Yellow light is really great to help reduce inflammation or any redness in the skin. The yellow light will help brighten the skin and get that redness out. If you're bored, it's like having a party in your house. Ooh, 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 yeah. So once again, we have the infrared red, we have the blue, and we have the yellow. So you can adjust the LED light colors, you can adjust the intensity levels, and the other thing that this mask offers is, if you notice right here when you first turn it on, it's at 10 minutes. To change the time, you just hold this down. So we have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Another great benefit to this mask is it is waterproof. Waterproof and dust proof. Therefore, keeping it clean is not an issue at all. So I think I told you about all the pros that I love. It's lightweight, very breathable, easy to clean, user-friendly, several different LED light therapy treatments, different intensities, different times to customize your treatment. Those are all the pros. The only con that I can personally think of with the mask is I personally like when I have a mask and the eyepiece is a choice. Either you can take it out or pop it in. This particular mask right here, there is no popping it out. You have no choice but to wear the eyepiece, okay? That's not a bad thing because it doesn't really irritate your eyes. It's just you don't have the choice. The other con that I noticed, which is silly, when I first opened the box, I didn't like the smell. There was a strange smell to it. But once I opened it, started using it, the smell is 100% completely gone. I'm not sure if it was just the box itself, the packaging, but that has not been a problem at all. It does not have any smell to it whatsoever. The pros definitely outweigh the con, okay? The cons are probably just from my own weird, unique mind. So yeah, if you all are interested in learning more about this amazing flexible mask, I will have a link in my description below to make things easy. You just have to click the link. It's going to take you right to the page, okay? This mask on the website is $197. That might sound a little insane, but I guarantee that $197 is a lot cheaper, a whole lot cheaper than a lot of the other LED light masks that are out there on the market. Also, I do have a discount code, NISA, N-I-S-A, that will save you 10% off of this mask. And if there's ever a sale going on the mask, I will definitely jump on and try to let you know ahead of time. So if you want to learn more, just click the link below. If you're interested in purchasing, don't forget to use code NISA to save that extra 10%. And yeah, friends, that's it. So until next time, my beauty queens, you all take care. Bye.